I'm talking about traffic. See why I'm finna be late. It's so much traffic on the GPS, it's showing red. You feel me? Dang.
As your next commissioner, I will continue to fight for you, not for big interests. Together, we will transform District 2 into a place where you can work, live, and play. Vote absentee, vote early, vote on November. 10 years. Everybody work 40 in 10 years. Already?
Yeah. When they get to the point where they actually talking. Like, I got some that get on there, they talk. Then you got others that get on being nosy. Dothan, yeah. No, that's not the place to ask me that. Talk about no appointments. See, cause my thing is, that I'm pretty sure she saw it from Facebook because I had posted on my page.
So that's what I did. And the next thing I know, they accept me. So
Yeah, that what Tiana said. That what Tiana said when I was in the kitchen with her when she was doing her video, and I was on the phone or something like that, and she was like, Keita, you just talking, they ain't listening to me no more, they listening to you. And I said, well, since y'all listen, to me, and I started calling out my YouTube page.
Man, I got Levi jeans, $10 a piece.
What?
That Trap Supply.
Oh.
What kind?
Levi.
I'm finna show you. They got the regular and all kinds.
When I say I literally, that's all I wear.
$10 a piece. Blue, light jean, blue, black.
What type of supply at over here?
Right. I walk a couple of those down.
Walk down there to the
Some of
end.
those, it's the same plaza.
Okay.
3 pair of pants were like $192. Pay $32 more.
Dang. What, they got a sale or something?
Yeah, everybody in there grab them too.
And we know it, though.
Right there at Tractor Supply down there.
There's a couple of those down.
Levi pants.
I know we're talking about we came in through that way.
Yeah,
Right, right here on that end.
How much them pants on the cost?
$10.
I was on the call.
Yeah,
About $60.
about 60.
That's all I
Dang,
want.
that's a good
I don't
sale.
want that but Levi.
Yeah, when she rung them up, they're like $192.
Normally $10.
But when they put the little
I mean, they
$10
normally
a piece,
$60 in there.
$32. Can't beat that.
Okay.
Winter time coming too.
They trying to burn people in their stove.
I ain't gotta worry about them jeans.
But I would never thought Tractor Supply had clothes. Yep, that look good.
I hate these little short pockets.
You ain't lying, Jesse. I be trying to find them deeper.
I'm telling you, man. Someone see the people's cars or my car, whatever, everything fall out.
Hook up the Wi-Fi.
Yeah.
I hit you up the high.
K5, I got here Optima 04.
Peter Lang, those are the two names that stood out there, and just how heinous this entire thing was.
And Carlos, all
It's people that know the truth. That's what they're trying to talk to.
Potentially dangerous. I personally thought this one sounded more wise. And I
Trying to show that face either.
proceeded to meet
What's going on, dog?
It was the same thing with President Biden. Was the other one.
Mine, the order was for an immediate withdrawal. It would have
Boy, I
been
don't know what
constructive.
to
Yet President Trump signed the order. These are the highly consequential actions of a president who knows his term will shortly
I ain't
end.
that mad.
At the same time that President Trump was acknowledging privately that he had lost the election,
I expect no
he was
93.
hearing that there was no evidence of fraud or irregularities sufficient to change the outcome.
I ain't mad.
I remember a call with
I ain't gonna lie, I thought we were just about to come there and smack him. I ain't even think none of it.
I ain't even think watch it. Oh,
Yeah, yeah.
look, it's the right of any candidate.
Coordinator, man, I really, like I said, I'm not gonna bash it. I'm gonna give him one more year.
But President Trump's litigation was completely unsuccessful.
After that one more year?
Still got an old guy.
Yeah, I don't know what still must think we Alabama or something. See, my niece already about taller than me. She's 6.
That's between them two.
Yeah.
My
My niece already about to go out there and go down the shoulder.
Ignore the rule of law and stay in power. Mr. Chairman.
Gentleman yields back. Chair recognizes Sean
She's
Walker.
6'1".
that's my recollection. He was always in the dining room.
Yeah, this is what it is. Not us as president. And all, during that briefing, how did you, what do you, I think they were just watching TV.
Make sure we both on the same page what I was talking about.
You talked to him while he was in the United States?
The exact impact that this has had on so many people involved in this tragedy, the victims and the victims' families and the survivors and everybody involved. But as an uncle, nephews and nieces and having family members, and obviously when we see tragedies like this, we always worry about the worst, right? Well, I would like to keep you updated on what happens next, and of course our prayers from 99 Chance continue out to all those victims impacted by terrible tragedy. More on our website, 99 Go to beachbody.com to claim your free membership and start feeling great. I can't believe I just scratched my car. I'm an insurance company. And you have insurance card. But I can do that? Oh, hey, I can do that. I can file a claim on it too? Whoa, I can call my agent too? Insurance with local Uber? It's called service.
Hey, I can't do it by myself. Well, you got to fall back on, bro.
I don't think anyone would guess that I got this report. I think we've been sleeping on them.
It's a celebration, bitches. And shout out to
You know on the weekend. But I ain't finna come here messing with Yoshi crazy stuff. That water thing got to be gone. Kita, what you doing?
This is Yoshi. Mother is scared of Yoshi. I have to feed Yoshi. This is Yoshi.
Look at
Nobody's doing nothing to Yoshi. And he just...
He mean.
Nobody's doing nothing to him. We gotta feed you. We gotta come here and feed you. I'm not. I'm doing. Why?
They're looking at you on this video.
Goddamn Yoshi now. Get over here. Go over here. Get over here. Mom, don't turn the cage because I got the thing open.
Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. Oh, that way you say give me a kiss when you ready to bite your ass. Pretty bird. Kid, you gotta get that water out of there and dump it. Pretty bird. Pretty bird. Why do you take the water thing out at the same time? As soon as you put that food
I'm not
in
gonna
there.
put this back in there yet.
Yeah, that's why I say get the water thing. Pretty bird. There's some more waters over there, Kitty. Yoshi.
Level stick.
I got the stick right here. You should have put the food in there first, because once he get that food, he gonna be stunning you with that water.
Shoot.
Go ahead, stick it in there.
Distract
Kitty.
them.
Come on. Kitty, go ahead and put the water.
Oh, look at his fellas. They trying to stick up. Yeah.
Come here. Come on. Okay, now you get your ass down now. We through. Whew, Lord Jesus. This is just a headache. Yeah. He go one go up here. Alright, then he get out the cage. I know him how to fit. He gonna have this.
Call the police.
He gonna have this house. Come party.
He got to carry that
He
car.
get out of here.
We got to call the
He
police.
gonna have this house here.
Or, okay. Or,
I ain't finna fight with this crazy ass bird.
what a lid at, boy?
Right here.
Oreo ain't even gonna
Oreo ain't no help.
He ain't gonna want to be here either. Mom, be careful.
And not too close to the mirror. Whew, Lord Jesus, that's a headache there. He's so mean. No, he mean.
Well, that's routine of feeding Yoshi.
That's Yoshi, y'all.
That's the routine of feeding Yoshi.
Yes, Lord. We got to go through all that just to feed him.
Just to feed Yoshi Wade. Yoshi Daniels. He's a Daniels. Just to
No,
feed
he a Wade. No, he's the, he mine.
Just to feed Yoshi Daniels. Well, I think that's done. I'll be done for the day with this video because I've been filming all day for y'all. So, I appreciate y'all for watching. And I'll catch you in the next video. Don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and comment. And I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.